Hi guys, so today we will talk not about the SSI and even not about the tea, but actually maybe about the tea we will talk a bit. So today we will talk about my start team. First of all, my wife Lilia, so she's doing all the recordings and listen all the time my stories about the IT. But I have this guy, so it's called Mephisto or Misha. Misha is more Ukrainian name for mouse. So, and it's my main debugging and designing tool actually at work since 2004. So I work with him practically almost all my career. So what the main idea of Misha, or it's more popular the rubber duck. So the rubber duck debugging. So if you stuck a bit or you try to debug the code, but you have no luxury to go and ping the people, so you could explain loud, line by line, what the code is doing to somebody else, and in this case you could explain it to him, and usually it helps, so it really solves the problem. So when you're stuck, or you designing something, or you debugging the code, it's really help to in some point of time just grab the toy and have the dialogue with him as a friend, try to explain him what you want, how it's work, why it's not working, and all other things, and in the process of explanation you usually solve the problem. Sometimes I use the similar technique with the video recording, because I just open my laptop, start recording the video, and usually at the end of the recording of this video I already better understand what I want. And actually my YouTube channel is partially about this, so how to share some tricks, not just about the architecture, but about some things that make your life easier. So the first and the best debugging tool actually is the rubber duck, or the toys where you could explain something to somebody else. Another thing, it's more advanced, but it's consume more resources, it's your team. And my general recommendation at all, so don't work alone. My second recommendation, build the triangles. Triangles, what I mean, that you have in a team two other people that understand what you are doing currently, responsible for this piece of, not responsible, but understand fully this piece of code. And actually, if something happens with you, one of them will pick it up and move it forward. So build the triangles, explain to people, share to people the knowledge. I try to share my knowledge via the videos together with you. Sometimes I write articles and documentation that nobody reads usually, but the triangles, it's yet another superpower of working habits, that you do not log the knowledge and you work with people, and together I'm a big fan and advocate of the pair programming and code design and all other things. Just do something with people. Some managers think that it's slower, that two guys sit together, but two guys together could be much more faster than two guys completely separate. The next and amazing debugging tool actually is sleep, for sure. If you're stuck and it's evening, just go to sleep, and it will be more effective and more productive, and actually try to really balance your life and balance your work. Another super useful thing, and I have a huge channel about it, is the tea and tea ceremony, because tea help you as a substance to concentrate, to focus. You could meditate a bit during the working day with the tea, just 5-10 minutes. You switch to the feeling in your body, what you feel, how it tastes, the temperature, the textures, the smells, and all other things. and while you do it, you switch the context, you give the brain a bit of space, and together with the chemicals and some substances that helps you to concentrate, helps you to stay hydrated, and so on. And especially when you really like the tea, then you have the aha moment. So it's the special state of the tea ceremony, the tea energy. So it's not the alcohol, it's more another type of changing state, and usually you get more focused. So the yet another debugging tool, actually, it's a tea or yerba mate, and proper hydration and proper breaks. But just try to find the different people, different angles, and different instruments that not connected to IT, that allows you to make your IT life better. So that's all for the debugging tools that I usually use. So it's my colleagues, it's my best friends, tea, a bit of walking, and that's it. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channels, put the likes, write the comments what kind of hacks you have to debug or design, and how you usually solve the situation when you're completely stuck. See you.